Hey there, Car Care Zone family. Have you ever watched a car zoom past you and wondered how it still runs like new after all these years? What if I told you that with just a few simple habits, you could dramatically extend the lifespan of your vehicle? Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or someone who just wants their ride to last longer, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to make your car last longer with pro tips that you can start using today. From essential routine maintenance to smart driving habits and fuel choices, we've got all the insider knowledge you need to keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Stick around. Trust me, you won't want to miss these tips. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of car longevity. Part 1. The importance of routine maintenance. 1. Regularly scheduled oil changes. One of the most critical aspects of vehicle maintenance is regular oil changes. Why is this so important? Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of your engine, reduces friction, and helps cool the engine. Over time, oil breaks down and loses its effectiveness, leading to increased wear and tear on engine components. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil change interval, which typically ranges from 5,000 to 7,500 miles for conventional oil and up to 15,000 miles for synthetic oil. Setting a reminder on your calendar can help you stay on track. 2. Don't neglect air filters. Did you know that clean air filters can significantly improve engine efficiency? Air filters prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine, ensuring that it breathes clean air. A clogged air filter can reduce fuel efficiency and engine performance, leading to potential long-term damage. Check your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions. Replacing a dirty air filter is a simple and inexpensive fix that can lead to better fuel economy. 3. Tire rotations and wheel alignments. How often do you think about your tires? Regular tire rotations and wheel alignments are essential for maintaining even tire wear, improving fuel efficiency, and ensuring safe handling. Misaligned or worn tires can lead to poor traction and increased stopping distances, not to mention the added expense of premature tire replacement. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles and have your alignment checked at least once a year or whenever you notice uneven tire wear. This simple step can save you money and enhance your driving experience. Part 2. Driving habits that extend lifespan. 1. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking. Do you find yourself speeding away from stoplights or slamming on the brakes? Aggressive driving habits can take a toll on your vehicle's engine and brakes, leading to premature wear. Smooth acceleration and gentle braking not only enhance your safety, but also prolong the life of your car. Practice gradual acceleration and deceleration. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces stress on your engine and braking system. 2. Don't let your engine idle for too long. How often do you leave your car idling? While it might be convenient to keep the engine running while waiting, excessive idling can waste fuel and cause unnecessary wear on engine components. In fact, idling for more than a minute can burn more fuel than restarting the engine. If you anticipate waiting for more than a minute, consider turning off your engine to conserve fuel and reduce wear. 3. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Are you guilty of cramming your car full of passengers and cargo? Overloading your vehicle can put extra strain on the engine, suspension, and tires, potentially leading to costly repairs. Every car has a recommended weight limit, and exceeding it can affect safety and performance. Check your owner's manual for the maximum load capacity and be mindful of what you carry in your vehicle. This simple practice can keep your car running smoothly for longer. Part 3. Fueling up for longevity. 1. Always use the recommended fuel type. Have you ever filled up with the cheapest gas at the pump? While it might save you money in the short term, using the wrong fuel type can lead to engine damage and decreased performance. Turbocharged or high-performance engines, in particular, often require premium fuel to operate efficiently. Always refer to your owner's manual for the recommended fuel type for your vehicle. Using the correct fuel helps maintain optimal engine performance and longevity. 2. Fill up your tank before it gets too low. How often do you let your fuel gauge dip close to empty? Running low on fuel can lead to sediment buildup in your fuel system, which can cause clogs in your fuel filter and injectors. This can lead to poor engine performance and expensive repairs. Aim to fill up your tank when it reaches a quarter full. This simple habit can help keep your fuel system clean and your engine running smoothly. 3. Consider using fuel additives. Have you ever thought about using fuel additives? These products can help clean your engine and prevent deposits from forming, ultimately enhancing performance and fuel efficiency. While not necessary for all vehicles, they can be beneficial, especially for older cars or those that have been neglected. Look for high-quality fuel additives that are compatible with your vehicle. Use them as directed to help maintain a clean engine. Part 4. Addressing warning signs. 1. Don't ignore warning lights on your dashboard. When was the last time you checked your dashboard for warning lights? Ignoring these indicators can lead to serious problems down the line. Warning lights are your car's way of telling you that something isn't right, and addressing these issues promptly can save you time and money. Familiarize yourself with the meaning of each warning light in your vehicle. If a warning light appears, consult your owner's manual and seek professional help if necessary. 2. Listen for unusual sounds. Do you hear strange noises coming from your car? Unusual sounds can be early warning signs of wear and tear in your engine, transmission, or brakes. Ignoring these sounds can lead to more significant issues down the road. Pay attention to any changes in sounds as you drive. If you notice anything unusual, have your vehicle inspected by a professional to catch potential problems before they escalate. 3. Pay attention to your car's performance. Have you noticed a decline in your car's performance? Changes in fuel efficiency, acceleration, or handling can indicate underlying issues that need to be addressed. Regularly monitoring your car's performance can help you catch problems early. Keep a log of your fuel consumption and performance metrics. This will help you identify any irregularities that may need attention. Part 5. Preserving the exterior. 1. Wash your car regularly. When was the last time you washed your car? Regular washing is essential for preserving your car's paint and preventing rust. Dirt, grime, and road salt can accumulate over time, leading to damage if left unchecked. Aim to wash your car every 2 weeks, or more frequently if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions. Don't forget to clean the undercarriage, as road salt can cause rust. 2. Wax your car. Have you ever considered waxing your car? Waxing provides an additional layer of protection against the elements, helping to keep your paint looking new. It also makes washing your car easier by preventing dirt from sticking to the surface. Wax your car every 3 to 6 months, depending on your climate. This simple step can enhance your car's appearance and protect its exterior. 3. Don't park under trees. Do you often park under trees? While it may seem convenient, parking under trees can expose your car to sap, bird droppings, and falling branches, all of which can damage your paint. Whenever possible, park in a garage or a shaded area away from trees. This simple choice can prevent unsightly damage and preserve your car's finish. Part 6. Additional tips for longevity. 1. Invest in quality parts. Are you tempted to buy the cheapest replacement parts? While it might save you money up front, investing in high-quality parts can enhance the lifespan of your vehicle. Cheap parts often wear out faster and can lead to more significant issues down the line. When replacing parts, opt for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or high-quality aftermarket parts. They may cost a bit more, but will often provide better performance and durability. 2. Keep records of maintenance. Do you keep track of your car's maintenance history? Maintaining detailed records can help you stay organized and remind you when it's time for service. It can also be beneficial when selling your car, as potential buyers appreciate a well-documented service history. Use a maintenance log or an app to track your service history, including oil changes, tire rotations, and repairs. This will help you stay on top of your vehicle's needs. 3. Know your vehicle. How well do you know your car? Familiarizing yourself with your vehicle's specifications and quirks can help you spot potential issues early. Understanding your car's needs and capabilities will lead to better care and maintenance. Spend some time reading your owner's manual and researching your vehicle model online. Join online forums or groups to connect with other owners and share tips. And there you have it, folks. By following these pro tips, you can significantly extend the lifespan of your car and keep it running like new. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Care Zone for more valuable tips and tricks on keeping your vehicle in top shape. Have you tried any of these tips, or do you have your own car care secrets? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your ride.